Welcome! You will ride a drone taxi and travel from Gyeongju to Dokdo. Let's go! Welcome to our Gyeongsangbukdo drone taxi tour. Here we go! The Cheomseongdae that you see now is the oldest existing astronomical observatory in Asia, dating back to 1,000 years. We are going to speed up a little, so hold on tight. Look at Bulguksa Temple. The UNESCO World Heritage Site represents the artistic spirit of people of the Silla Kingdom. It is one of the Korea's most important cultural assets. Legend has it that the name Toham Mountain means the mountain eats the clouds and throws it back up. There are so many relics and historic sites scattered throughout the mountain, making the entire mountain itself a huge historic site. Isn't it awesome? Everywhere you go in Gyeongju, you will see historic relics from the Silla period. Now we are moving to the next destination. We have now arrived in Mungyongseje Pass, which means you will hear good news. It was a big road that connected Yeongnam and Hanyang, the present-day Seoul. If you go past the three gates of Juhugwan, Jogokgwan, and Joryonggwan, you will end up in Baekdudaegan mountain range. We are going to pass through these gates to cross Baekdudaegan mountain range. Well, get ready, it's dangerous. We cannot go through any more gates. It's too dangerous. Where are we now? Aha! We're in Uljin with breathing land and peaceful ocean. Do you see Bulguksa Valley? Enjoy the fabulous view of the valley. We have landed in Ulleunggun, a beautiful island that holds mysteries. Enjoy the spectacular landscape with the opening of the road that runs along the entire coast of the island. The island is a living testimony to the history of the nation. This is the beautiful island Dokdo, Ulleunggun, Gyeongsangbukdo. Located at the eastern tip of the Korean peninsula, the island is made up of Dongdo, Seodo, and 89 islets. The island is off limits to the public, so enjoy the privilege of having a beautiful view of the Forbidden Island. Designated as Natural Monument number 336, Dokdo is an amazing reservoir of natural ecosystem and biodiversity and a precious heritage that brings humans and nature together. The Dokdo guards are here to welcome us. This wraps up our drone taxi tour. Did you enjoy it? You have arrived in Dokdo, Korea. This is the end of our flight. Thank you. Please revisit Gyeongsangbukdo, which is full of cultural heritage and natural blessings.